Welcome to the Soulard Technology Vanderbilt SMS training session. Today we'll be looking at Access Manager. Access Manager is the program that you will use to create your categories for cardholder access. You can also edit area sets and do some cardholder editing in here as well. So to start, we will start in the category tab. You can see I already have several categories created. And if you select one of these categories or go through these categories, you can see that they have cardholder membership already assigned to them. So in the finance staff, we already have Nick M in this category. The area links that are assigned to this category are the following. I don't use area sets in here, but if you had an area set that included all of these areas, instead of adding these individually, you could just add that one area set with that one time zone, and that would be applied to every cardholder within this category. And offline lock access you could add to this category as well. So if we wanted to add a new door to this category so that everybody that had access to this category would immediately get access to that door, we could go into area links, hit the plus icon, add area, search for that area, and say we want to give them access to the IT closet, which they do not currently have. Select that, hit OK, hit next, select the time zone. I would want to make sure that it matches the time zone that they already have access to, which in this case is the 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday category. By default, again, this will be the day before, so that accounts for any time zone changes that may occur in your system. And I would hit finish, and that IT closet would get added to this category. And you can see here that it was added about a month after these other ones were created. And now every person who had cardholder membership to this category, in this case just Nick, they would immediately get access to that IT closet as well. If you needed to delete an area from that category, you could simply highlight it, hit the minus button. It will warn you that this will apply to everyone within this category. Sure you want to delete it, we'll say yes. And now IT closet is removed from this category. In order to create a new category, in the top half of the screen, you would hit the plus icon. We'll just call this test category. So by default, there's no cardholder membership, no area link access, area set access, or offline lock access. To start, we'll add areas to this. So again, we'll hit the plus, add area. We'll find now and say this person is just going to get access to the east entrance. I'm going to hold down control, the main entrance vestibule, south entrance, staff entrance. Just want them to get into the building but not have any access within the building. And we'll hit OK. Now you can see that they have the access to these, or we have these 5 areas selected. We'll hit next, select the categories, and we'll say always. And then hit finish, and now they have access, or this group is assigned these 5 doors for access always, which allows them to get in 24/7 and on holidays. And now we will add cardholder membership to this. So if you watch the cardholder definitions video, you saw the cardholder or the categories tab in cardholder definitions. So you could add membership to this category individually in cardholder definitions. Or you can hit the plus icon here under cardholder membership, say add cardholders. If you hit find now, it'll show all of your cardholders, and you can select multiple people to be added to this category. I'm gonna hit OK. Here's my 4 selected. I'm gonna hit next. It's gonna confirm what category I want them to be added to. If a person does belong to multiple categories, say you have offices in 3 different cities and you want to give them access to 2 of the 3 cities, If you have a category for city A, city B, and city C, you could add them to city A and city B, and it would add them to both categories, and they would immediately get access to all the doors that are within those categories for both cities. Once you have the categories you want selected, you can hit finish, and it will add them here to the cardholder membership for the test category, and they will immediately get access to these 5 doors. So if you then went to cardholder definitions, went to that categories tab for the test cardholder, you would see underneath their categories the test category. One thing that you do want to be careful of when using Access Manager and cardholder definition is because they share a lot of information as far as access rights. If you have both Access Manager and cardholder definitions open at the same time, there could be a delay in that information. You may need to hit refresh either within here or within cardholder definitions. In my experience, it's been a good practice to, if you're using Access Manager, to make sure that cardholder definitions is closed, and then when you're done in Access Manager, close it and then open up cardholder definitions if you need to, but not to have both programs open at the same time. Within here, you can also create or edit your area sets. Right now, all I have in the system is the default all areas set, which I don't believe you can delete. It automatically includes every area that's created within the system as soon as it's created. If we want to create a new area set, we can do that in here, or we could also do that in System Manager. To create a new area set, you'll hit the plus in the top half of the screen. We'll call this test area set. Save and close. So now this is created. There's no area membership for this area set yet, so we will add doors to this. Add areas, find now to see all of them. I'm going to select Office 1, hold down Shift, and select Office 5, so it selects those 5 records. Hit OK, hit Next, confirm that we're going to add it to this area set, and hit Finish. And now these 5 doors are within this area membership. So if we go back to categories, to our test category, area links, it's still these 5 area links that it's getting direct area access to. If we go to area sets and hit a plus, add area set, find now, and select this test area set and hit OK. Next. And then say for this one that we're going to select the cardholder access 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Hit OK and hit finish. Now this category also has access to this test area set, has access to these 5 area links, and this has cardholder membership of these 4. If you look at all area access, you can see that the Taylor cardholder has access to these doors and these 5 office doors that were added via the category to area set. This is actually looking at the admin all areas area set because it's going to show you all area access for that person. If we click cardholders to sort, you could then see that Taylor gets access to these 5 doors, category to area via the test category, and then to the office 1 through 5, category to area set, through the test to test area set here. If you click on areas, it'll show all the areas within your system, and if you select one of those areas, it'll show you who has access, if you have all area access to that area and what time zone they have access to that area during. It'll also show you what area set membership that specific area is assigned. So this east entrance is only in the all area set. If you were to go to Office 1, it's in the all area and the test area set. Direct cardholder access will tell you if it's assigned directly to a person. The east entrance, as you can see, is assigned directly to the test cardholder. So that was done direct area access within cardholder definitions. And you can also see which category links the east entrance is assigned to. In this case, it's the cleaning crew staff, finance staff, IT staff, regular, and the test category that we just created. The one thing that you do want to be careful of in Access Manager is when you are deleting anything from categories or area sets, the bottom half is where you want to mainly focus on. Deleting anything in the top half deletes everything that's assigned to it in the bottom half. So if somebody has if you're trying to delete the east entrance out of this test category, you want to make sure that you select the east entrance in the bottom half and hit the minus in the bottom half to remove that from that category. If you hit the minus in the top half of the screen for that test category, you're going to delete the whole category and access for anybody that gets their access assigned through that category. So by deleting it up here, you would remove these 4 doors from these 4 people, unless they're getting it through another category. The Taylor card holder is getting access also through the admin category, so they would keep theirs. But as you can see, the only other 2 in admin are the security. So this test door would lose all of its access that it's assigned through categories if you deleted the test category from the top half. The same with card holders. If you do search for card holders in here, by hitting the find icon and selecting a person, you can see all of their access. But if you select the card holder up in the top here and hit the minus, you are removing that card holder from your system. So you just want to be careful with that when you delete from the top half of this screen. Same with area set and same with area. If you delete an area, as you will see later, that's important for programming readers and system manager. You will affect your other readers within the system by deleting the area